Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I have another Fabfitfun unboxing for you. You guys already know I love Fabfitfun. You already know that I'm an annual subscriber, and so I get to pick 5 items in my box, which I love, and I'll keep doing unboxings for you guys on these videos. Just like this video if you want more subscription box unboxings, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. So here's what the box looks like. As always, it's huge, too big to fit in the screen. So I have all the products linked underneath and also my other Fabfitfun unboxings if you're interested. And I'll go through everything and I'll let you know what stuff that I picked myself. It comes with the same magazine as always. So this just tells you about the products, how you can use them, the price and all that stuff. I won't go through the prices on here, I'll just link them underneath for you. The first thing in my box I received that I chose and love is this UnHide blanket. This is faux fur. It is so soft, like it feels so nice, and it's a nice beige color. So I'm definitely going to put this on my bed. It's so soft and I love it. So I picked this. It's very, you can tell by how it feels very high quality. So I love this. Next, they gave you 9 free meals for HelloFresh. So if you want this code, just freeze the screen here. The next thing everyone receives in their box, it's a makeup eraser. It's like a cloth that is supposed to remove your makeup without any product. Like there's no remover on it. So I don't know about this. I'll have to try this and let you guys know, because I don't know if I've tried anything like this that works. So I'll have to try it and let you guys know. I didn't pick that. That was just in everyone's box. And another item in everyone's box is this Cuccio Yoga Calm and Clean. So this is what it looks like. So it says it's calm and clean Epsom salt hand and body wash. Gently cleanses without dehydrating the skin. Using the finest ingredients, Epsom salt helps muscle feel reinvigorated and re-energized after the most intensive workouts. The combination of provitamin B and shea butter help your skin feel moisturized post-shower. Enjoy the soothing essential oil blend of lavender oil to help wash away stress and worry from the day, leaving the mind, body, and spirit completely calm, renewed, and restored. So this is what it looks like. It's a body wash. I really enjoyed this. I love body washes, can't get enough of them. So I'm happy to get this, and everyone receives this in their box. I didn't customize this one. So I love this idea of a body wash with Epsom salt. I think it'd be really soothing after a workout. So I'm excited to try this, and this everyone receives. The next thing I chose myself, this is a set of Face for All face and eye mask set. It includes 6 masks and I think 1 eye patch. So this is by the brand Krystyna. I've never tried their masks before, so I'll have to try this and let you guys know. But I picked this because I love masks, and it says renew, soothe, hydrate for the face, paraben free, dye free, mineral oil free. And there's also eye masks in here as well. So I'll have to try these and let you guys know if you've tried these products. If you've tried these products and enjoy them, please let me know underneath. But you know I had to pick the skincare. I love skincare. The next thing everyone gets in their box, it's this Prime Prep and Detangler by the brand Drybar. Drybar has really high-end products and they're really expensive at Sephora. So it says it has biotin, vitamin B and C, and UV blockers. This lightweight detangler protects hair from heat up to 450 degrees and preps hair for optimal performance of styling products. Ooh. This sounds really good, and I actually wanted to try more Drybar products. I just haven't because they're quite pricey. So to get this in here is a great thing, and everyone receives that. So I love getting hair products as well, so I'm really happy with that. So far I think this winter box is my favorite box yet from Fabfitfun. These I added on, so it's the R&Co Television Perfect Hair shampoo and conditioner. I added these on I love the packaging on them. I added these on for $15 extra just because I've used R&Co before and I find their products work well for my hair, so I wanted to try these. So you could have chosen these or you could have added them on if there was too many choices that you wanted. So that's why I added both those into mine. So I paid an extra $15, but I think it's worth it for 2 high-end shampoos. The next thing I chose as well, and it's the Frank Body Coffee Body Scrub. So Frank Body is another brand I've really been wanting to try. It's a body scrub that's made with like coffee, which coffee is good for exfoliation and glow and adding glow to the skin, and also cellulite, and it has more natural ingredients in it, so I'm excited to try this. And it says it has Robusta coffee, almond oil, vitamin E, and sea salt in it. So it sounds great. So I always need a good scrub, especially in the winter when my skin is even more dry than normal. And the next thing I picked as well, it's this 2020 planner. So it's by Paper Source, and it's a nice planner for the next year so that I can plan daily. I'm someone that likes to write things down and kind of make a plan for the day and check it off. It makes me feel like I accomplished something. If you guys are the same way, just let me know. But this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. It's like a nice floral print. So I chose that as well. And then the last thing I chose was these fuzzy slippers that are so cute. So they're like cable knit on the outside and fuzzy on the inside. So that's all the items that I received in my Fabfitfun. I'm super happy with it and excited to use everything. And again, I love Fabfitfun because they have great products, and also when you are just doing it month to month, you can pick I think 2 or 3, but when you buy for the whole year, you can pick 5 items, so you really customize it to what you like. So I'm really happy with this. Please let me know if you guys want more unboxing videos on Fabfitfun. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day. Love you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.